In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to start a side hustle by transitioning from Temu to TikTok Shop. This is a fantastic opportunity to delve into e-commerce using the ever-growing platforms available today. Let's dive right in, starting with the basics. First, you'll need to create accounts on both Temu and TikTok. Begin by setting up a buyer account on Temu. It's important to familiarize yourself with the platform as it's where you'll be sourcing your products. For TikTok, you'll want to create a TikTok Shop seller account. This is your entry ticket into the bustling world of TikTok e-commerce. Ensure you provide all the necessary details during the sign-up process to avoid potential delays later on. Next, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get into some research on Temu. Spend time browsing through various products within your niche. Look for items that not only interest you, but also have a good demand. Pay attention to their pricing, reviews, and overall popularity. This research phase is crucial because picking the right products can significantly influence your success. Once you've identified potential products, the third step is to order samples from Temu. By testing the product quality yourself, you can ensure you're offering something of value. This step helps in building trust with your future customers by guaranteeing that they receive what you promise. Plus, it offers content opportunities. You can highlight product features in your TikTok videos, offering authentic insights that consumers will appreciate. The fourth step involves creating a TikTok Shop listing. Ensure you present your product in the best light possible. Think about captivating titles and descriptions that reflect the product's benefits. High-quality images are a must, as they're the first thing potential buyers notice. Remember, this is your chance to make a strong first impression. Once you receive approval as a seller, the fifth step is to venture into your TikTok Shop dashboard and upload your product listing. Follow the platform guidelines closely to avoid any compliance issues. It's critical to know your platform inside out. The smooth transition from approval to listing upload can set you on a path to early sales success. Creating engaging, viral content on TikTok is the sixth step. Here is where your creativity takes center stage. Think beyond conventional advertising. Focus on storytelling, trendy challenges, or even behind-the-scenes glimpses to garner viewer interest and engagement. Remember, the more eyes on your content, the higher your sales potential. When orders start coming in, you'll need to focus on fulfilling them accurately and promptly. It's not just about selling, it's about ensuring a seamless customer experience. Keep track of your logistics and handle any customer service queries with professionalism. Finally, track your progress meticulously. Analyze sales data, customer feedback, and video performance. This will guide your decision making regarding which products to continue promoting, when to introduce new items, and how to refine your content strategies. By repeating this cycle and scaling smartly, you can build a responsive, thriving side hustle from Temu to TikTok Shop. Keep learning, adapting, and growing with each step, and soon you'll find your stride in this dynamic e-commerce landscape.